Jessie. I know y'all been wondering, where have y'all been? What's going on? Alright, I'm gonna explain to y'all what's going on, or at least what's been going on, alright? So, as y'all can see, it's just me. No Whitney. Y'all be hearing from Whitney later on. I'm gonna talk to you guys first, say what I gotta say. And she's gonna talk to you guys, say what she gotta say. And you guys, base whatever y'all gonna base off of that. Okay? So, a little while ago, I want to pick this, as truthful as possible, because I don't want to, mess, I want you guys to know the facts. So I don't want to, mess nothing up, or, I want to be factual. So, a couple months ago, y'all know how I work out. I go to the gym, all that good stuff. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? You don't get, built overnight. So I work out a lot. Go to the gym one day, and Whitney decides she wants to pop up to the gym so we can go grab food after. Okay? Alright. Normally you call or say something, but okay, whatever. Okay, cool. It is what it is. The only problem with this is I was actually planning to prank her. So I was working on it. It was a prank, but I was in the middle of working on it. So you gotta I guess you could say these pranks be getting out of hand. And this is probably what caused this whole issue, is me trying to prank her and get her back. Anyway, let's stay focused, okay? Stay focused on the story, okay? So, I'm at the gym. She pops up and want to grab food. Well, it's been a couple hours since I'm at the gym. Now I'm in my car. Okay. Now, remember I told you I'm working on a prank. So, the prank is with me kissing another female. Alright, yeah, so I chose the person who I knew for a while. Whitney knows her, I know her. You know what I'm saying? We've been cool since what? High school, middle school, somewhere around there, you know what I'm saying? So, we did like each other back in high school, yeah. But it's nothing like that, it's just supposed to be just a prank. Alright. And it still tickled me to this freaking point, man. It don't make no sense. Like, why would you get mad because you catch me kissing my homegirl who we supposed to be pranking you? You know what I'm saying? It's a prank, hello? But yeah, so the kiss was just a rehearsal kiss. That's all it was. It was no big deal. She made a huge deal out of this. Don't worry, like I said, don't worry. She's gonna be saying her part here soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you guys my side of the story. And then she's gonna be giving you guys her side of the story. So, and it's crazy because after that, we never even grabbed food. She just got mad, cussed us out, all this. I'm trying to explain to you, hey, calm down, relax. You know what I'm saying? It's just a prank. That's it. And I just don't get it. When you married, it says through thick and thin. You know what I'm saying? To death do us part. You gonna get mad and want to divorce after one freaking prank that might have went too far. Okay? Come on, y'all. Y'all seen pranks she's done. Remember, she cut my hair. Y'all don't think that was going too far? Oh yeah, it's growing back now. But it would have been way higher if she wouldn't have cut it the first time. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But I guess now I'm single. You know what I'm saying? So anybody out there who want to be a stepmama to Kalena, whatever, But I'm being real petty right now. I got every right to be. She embarrassed me in front of my homegirl, you know what I'm saying? they got into a little altercation too. They started fighting. When I'm telling you, like, hair was getting pulled out, tracks, weed, all that stuff was everywhere, y'all. It was crazy. I didn't even know she had that in her, but apparently she do. Yeah, y'all already know she do get a little angry, but I ain't expect her to get that angry. You know what I'm saying? And I freaking, like, when I did come back to the house, I'm like, where you go? Because I guess she still went out and grabbed food or whatever with Kalena. She come back a freaking day later, and I don't get it. I don't get females sometimes. It was just a little prank. That's it. That's it. That's it. She's like, let me see the camera footage. Let me see the camera footage. You ain't heard of pre-recording. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it was behind the scenes. That's it. The prank was coming. We had to practice first. Just a little. That's it. Just a little. And she just happened to be right there as soon as a part happened. It was just a practice. Like, let me see how you kiss real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this and prank Whitney. It gotta be, you know, it gotta be real because Whitney ain't stupid. So if we're gonna do this, it gotta look legit. So yeah, we practiced. Obviously it looked legit because she fell for it. But, you know, but it's alright though. It's alright, man. But yeah, that's what we've been. You know what I'm saying? Again, she's going to be saying her part here soon. You know what I'm saying? Since we get a divorce, we got to split everything in half. I'm petty. We got a sectional, so I'm going to cut that sectional in half. Boom, boom. You take one part, I take one part. We got the house. I don't know if we're going to stay in the same house. I don't even know where she been. You know what I'm saying? I talked to her, but she won't tell me where she at. You know, that make no sense. Next time, just any advice for you guys out there, anybody want to prank your girl, make sure y'all go somewhere where she don't know, okay? She just know where I be all the time, that's it. So, yeah, but that could have been a very, very exciting prank, and that's why it's hard to prank, you know, your girl, because stuff like this. They ain't stupid, man. They ain't stupid. Fellas, y'all know how it is. I'm pretty sure every guy out there that kissed their best friend before. Yeah, and if you're sitting in front of your girl, he has. If he's sitting next to you, look at him. He kissed his best friend before. They probably don't call each other best friends no more. But, you know, it's kind of the thing that men do. We do it sometimes. Sorry, brothers. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Now, back to what I was saying. We're going to keep our channel going. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute since we posted, but you know, we do get to split the YouTube half and half. We're gonna keep our channel. So I'm gonna be posting some stuff with me and Kalena. She's gonna post some stuff with her and Kalena. Like I said, the next video, I think she's gonna be posting her story or whatever she believes that happened. I'm telling y'all straight up. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what happened and how it happened. That's what happened. That's how it happened. That's it. That's it. It's that simple, y'all. But y'all know females like to exaggerate just a tad bit. You know what I'm saying? It's a tad bit, but it is what it is. She was sitting here all emotional, wanting to cry. I'm like, can we just talk about it? Let's just talk. But girls are very vengeful. Like, how you gonna like text my homegirl, but you won't text me? You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand why you want to fight her and not me. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not my fault. It's not even, like I said, it's not even that big of a deal. Like, why do females make a big deal out of everything? It's not that big of a deal. You know what I'm saying? This was supposed to be just a huge, ginormous ring. That's it. So just be careful with y'all pranks. Y'all see at the end of the day, it ends up in divorce. Let me know, comment below what y'all think about this one. If y'all think that I was wrong, if y'all think that she's wrong, or think it's something that we can just fix and get over, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know, comment below. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know, y'all. Just let me know. Also, if y'all want, comment below some Q&A questions for me regarding this or regarding, you know, us in general, and I will respond to those in another video. So just let me know, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all taking the time out, you know, to watch our video, show us some love, give us some support and everything. We really appreciate you guys, and we love you guys, even though we've been at it for a little bit now. This happened a while ago, you know what I'm saying? That's what took us so long, because you know, we had to figure out everything, got to rearrange everything, got to get everything together. So I don't know if y'all been into a divorce, but it is what it is. I'm so, no, Kalina, she don't understand yet, but I get to take her on the weekends. She get to keep her on, you know, Monday through Friday. So it's cool, you know. I got her whenever I'm not working, you know, but she's gonna be in our videos, you know. And it's kind of weird, you know. She has been acting a little funny since we had Kalina. You know, her attitude has been through the roof. I'm like, why are you so mad because you can't sleep at night? Like, that is not my fault. You know, Kalina is a baby. You gotta, she's a baby. What you expect? You know, but hey, that has nothing to do with nothing. I don't even know why I mentioned it. It has nothing to do with me kissing another female, nothing like that. You know, this other female, she's cool. We was just hanging out last night and everything. She cool. She was here by my side. You know, she supported me and everything through the situation. So I get through it though. I get through it, y'all. I will. I will, y'all. I ain't gonna cry. I'm a grown man. I ain't gonna cry over spilt milk. When you get knocked down, you get back up. If you can look up, you can get up. That's it. That's how life is. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. That's all. That's all we can do. You know. So, anyway, I appreciate y'all time. Y'all be smooth. Hope everybody been blessed. Let me know down below how y'all been. All that good stuff, y'all. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have great luck for the rest of this year. 2022 is almost over with, y'all. It's crazy. It's almost over with. But yeah, till next time, y'all. Peace.